Welcome back to the new video in ChatGPT. What is the ChatGPT used for Excel teachers and mentors and coach? Usually specifically for Excel users. Now, the teachers and mentors and coach, people who are there, they are doing a great job, noble work of training different people across the world, creating lot of awareness. They need lot of help to make them more smarter, to make them reach to maximum people. We need to save their time. ChatGPT will help you save your time as well. Now, what is the job of a teacher in the organization? One is to teach participants, then take the test of those participants, give the assignments, check the papers, and also give them the feedback. And there are many other tasks the person does in the company or in the college or university. So let's try to understand what it will benefit to all the teachers. The first question I can ask them, the question would be, let me create a new chat over here. The first question is create 5 multiple choice questions on Excel for basic users. Now, a teacher has to sit and create MCQs, and this is something which can give you all the answers in a very good format. Okay, that's how it has given you. Now, same way, 5 questions it has given me, but now I can ask them more specific. So, create 5 questions on Excel from basic to advanced level in table format. Give me the explanation for right answers. The question on which you can create are shortcuts, pivot table, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, charts, and other things as well. And then I can enter that. So this is giving me in a tabular format, very sophisticated, interesting way. And now it is asking questions, difficulty level, and the explanation. So here it is giving all the details. So as a teacher, I think this tool can help you out. I've just asked them 5 questions. You can ask them to create 50 or 100 questions. You can ask them to create different set of questions. Set A for A users, set B for B users, C and D for different users. And accordingly, you can get the answers. Now, I'm increasing my demand over here. I'm asking them create 10 MCQs on basic Excel to advanced Excel with explanation. Create questions in a matrix format where you have options in headers, explanation in the last column, questions in rows, and level of difficulty given as well. So I'm asking them 5 things in one question, and now it understands. It is so decent, it understands and gives you the answer properly in a matrix format. So this is how you can get the all details over here. Now, this is one example. Now I can increase my demand. Okay, I can copy this, create a new chat, and I'll go to chat GPT-4 code interpreter. Now, people who do not use this code interpreter, teachers specifically, I would suggest you to use this code interpreter. It is going to save a lot of time. Now, imagine I am a teacher which have to create 100 questions. How many? 100 questions on Excel. I'm an expert. I can do it. No problem about this. But the amount of time will take me 3 to 4 to 8 hours, depending upon the audience, the questions, and so on. Here, carefully observe this code interpreter can download the Excel file directly with all the questions and the explanation. So here is the question I have. Create 100 questions on Excel Office 365 version. Column heading have to be option A to D, and one more column has explanation right answer. Create an Excel file so I can download and use it. Don't show me the demo here. Okay. So I'm asking them using this code interpreter, this has to be activated. And now I can just click on this send button here. Now, without this chat GPT, we have survived many years. We can still survive some more years again. But using this tool, you're going to save a lot of time for sure. A teacher will not be replaced, but a teacher will have some supporting hand to get this work done so they can test and evaluate all the participants as well. So now it is taking some time. If I tell you and show you the code over here, it is creating some code at the backend. Now this is something Python language which is created at the backend. Now this will take some time definitely to create the data, and then you can download that part. Now I've asked them for 100 questions. You can expect them to give you, let's say, 10-20 questions for a demo purpose, and you can download. This will give you a clean output so that you can use it for your work. So now this is something, an assignment which I can give you everyone. Now here, this is a file submission of test taken of one of the student. Now please understand, if you have 100 students, all those 100 students have sent you Excel file to you, right? In that one Excel file, there is some data, there are some questions, options, and the answer. You can ask ChatGPT to test those 100 questions and it will give you the answers automatically. So if I have to test 100 options answers, I will just directly upload the file, and after uploading, I can tell them how many marks should I give to Vignesh, how many marks should I give to Anand, and so on. It will give the answers. So I can just send this option here. Now it has done the previous example. So I can just download the Excel file. Let me open the Excel file and show you the data. If it is not giving you the answers, do not worry. You may have to try few more times to get the right answers. So let me show you this thing. It has created some questions which are 10 questions. If you see, these are 10 questions with options and the answers. Now you can obviously tell them that the remaining 90 questions have not come. Can you please do it again? It will definitely give you all the answers then, right? So now this is something which I'm giving you an assignment. Upload an Excel file which has a student submission of the MCQs with the answers. Ask GPT to tell me how many marks should I give out of this 10, 20, 30, 100 questions. It will give you the right answers. You don't have to spend time to do this correction. For time being, I hope you have understood how do we use ChatGPT for all the teachers, mentors who are doing a great job across the world, training and guiding people here. ChatGPT for Excel users and mentors and coach. That's all for this video.